Hi, I'm Janney, owner of the Inspired Garden. I am so excited to be sharing this masterclass on designing luxurious gardens and containers. You will learn to create gorgeous containers and gardens filled with flowers that are designed in a unique and thoughtful way. This course includes step-by-step instructions for designing and installing a brand new garden with modules on a variety of garden types, including cottage, shade, wildflower, and natural. Each module comes with a curated plant list with specific varieties to save you time and money. I'll fill you in on which plants are easy and dependable, how to enhance your garden with annuals, and how to plant a layered garden that blooms for all 3 seasons. You will learn how to assemble 4 seasons of luxurious containers with detailed supplemental materials to guide you. As I share my approach for gardening, I'm going to let you in on a few secrets for capturing the look of a dreamy and inspired garden. A garden that is filled with colors, scents, and flowers you love. A garden that will reflect your personality and style. Whether you choose a cottage garden with a soft and dreamy palette or a bold and bright design with dramatic flair, if it's true to who you are, it will bring you joy for years to come. When you purchase the full course, you'll be invited to join the Inspired Gardens online community, where you'll meet other inspired gardeners, share ideas, and be able to ask the Inspired Gardens design team any questions that you may have. This course includes modules on the basics of gardening, making it a perfect fit for a novice gardener. For professional garden designers, you will get fresh new design ideas and color combinations that you can incorporate into your clients' gardens. With fresh new content continuously dropping, you will be inspired season after season. Whether you're beginning or continuing your gardening journey, I hope you come along with us. Let's get out there and start planting.